Hey guys, welcome to Lacave-Insight. I'm Marcus, music producer, lighting director and official MA trainer. This is MA Quick Tips. Wouldn't it be helpful sometimes to have a second programmer because you're the only guy on the lighting board? There are some people outside on the stage focusing lights, and you would also like to program your effect light at the same time. So then it's sometimes really confusing if you're going to program something and then comes somebody and says, hey, let's turn on fixture 201 and fixture 202, and then you jump back to your programming and maybe you get an issue because now you're programming these fixtures inside your queues which you want to. So let's create a second programmer and solve this problem. So let's say we have fixture 1 plus fixture 2 in the programmer and they are focused somewhere. And now we would like to create a new programmer because fixture 3 and 4 should do some effect lighting. How can we do that? I'm doing a trick for this. So let's go to settings, user configuration, and let's create a new user profile. Call it PGM2. And let's also create a user called PGM2. Then assign the profile PGM2 to the user PGM2. And now you can switch to the second user like log PGM2. And now I'm on the second user. That means let's open up a fixture sheet. And here I can use fixture 3 plus 4 plus 5, for example, and make some phaser on color. And maybe on the dimmer. So now we have a phaser here on our move and light programmer. And if we are going to switch back to our main profile, which was called admin, then I'm back on the first programmer. For this, I'm going to create a small macro to switch back and forth the users. Let's open data pool macros, macro 1. And line 1 is log PGM2. And line 2 is log admin. Now let's put the wait command on line 1 to go. And there we go. We can assign the macro maybe over here. And let's say switch PGM. When I click this, you can see I'm now in the second user. And then I'm going to assign this macro in this second user also here on the button. So I can switch now here back to the first programmer. I'm often using this trick when I'm the only lighting programmer on the desk. I hope you liked it and enjoyed it. Please click the like button, subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Bye bye.